Hi, welcome back to the workshop for episode 6 of my Great Guitar Build Off 2022 build. And this time we're going to be building that all important mould that we're going to need while we're assembling the body for this guitar. Okay, so we've got a load of little strips of walnut that we can bend up into these ribs that we need. And we've also got the two bending forms, so one for the top and one for the bottom, that we can bend these strips around. So technically we're ready to actually do the bending of the side ribs, but in practice we can't really do it yet until we've got something to hold them in that position once they come off the forms. So for that we're going to need a body mould like this one that I made for my 335 build a little while ago. And all it is two forms shaped like the top and bottom halves of the body. And once we've got those ribs glued together, we can actually put them in here and clamp them to this jig to hold them into the position we need. And we'll keep them in there until we've got the center block glued in and the two little blocks that go into the horns as well. So I don't want to waste materials and I don't see the point in doing work twice. So I'm actually going to strip the forms off of this one and reuse this base on the new body mould. Okay, and as you can see, that's just two bits of 12mm MDF cut to shape and glued together. So what I'm going to do is dig out some suitable size material. I'm going to draw the outline onto one bit and then cut it and sand it to shape as close as I can possibly get it to this shape that I want. I'll then rough cut the second bit of material, fasten it together with the first bit and then pattern route it so I've got two thicknesses at exactly the same shape. I'll do that for both the top and the bottom half of the mould and we can get it all put together. And there we have one quick and dirty body mould knocked up, which of course means we've now got somewhere to clamp the ribs once we form them. So next up is to break out those rib moulds and those strips of walnut that we cut what seems like ages ago now, and get those ribs bent up. But I'm going to leave that for the next episode. I think we've done quite enough in this one. So I'll be back tomorrow to talk about how I'm actually going to soften the wood to get it to bend around this shape. So as always, like if you've liked, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.